If you've been curious about how liquidity-based crypto platforms actually work, but keep running into the same confusing dashboards and vague promises, this one is worth a proper look. In today's review, I'm walking through Liquidity, a platform built around exchange pools, its own swap and a partner program using a demo account so you can see exactly what is inside.
This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only.
So this is Spreadify, and first impressions matter, so let's take it in. Straight away, you can see that this is a proper professionally built platform, right? Clean design, clear branding, and it's laid out around its main products, rather than being a wall of hype. That alone is worth noting in this space because a lot of these sites fall apart the second you scroll. And here's the core concept in plain English, so you understand what you're actually looking at. The idea is that funds go into what goes into an exchange pool. The platform then uses that pool of liquidity to power its own swap and its partner services. And in return, the people providing that liquidity earn rewards for doing so. It's a liquidity-based model, that's the whole premise, and everything else on the site builds out from that one idea. So let's start with the heart of it, the exchange pools. And here's the full list, and you can see the different assets and how each pool is structured. This is the transparency you want. You're not being asked to trust a black box. The pools are laid out for you to actually look at. So let me open one up so you can see the detail. This is the pool's detail page, right? And this is exactly what you want to study before you ever consider committing anything. It shows you the parameters, the terms, the information the platform puts in front of you. And that's a key point, right? A legitimate looking platform shows you the terms up front, and that always tell you, read every one of these carefully before you ever act on it. Now let's look at the swap, because this is the other half of the model. This is the interface for actually exchanging tokens. So watch, I can select the token I'm swapping from to the token I want, and it shows me the details of that swap to review. I'm not executing anything here, I'm just showing you how the mechanism looks and works. It's clean, it's simple, and it's the engine that the pool of liquidity is feeding. So you can see how the two pieces connect. The pools provide the liquidity, the swap uses it. Okay, so we're getting inside our actual account because this is where you see whether it's real functioning platform or just a pretty front end. I've logged in here, right? So you can see the real thing. And this account has a balance on it that was credited by the platform as a demo balance for my review. So this is not my own money and it's not a real deposit. It's a demo credit, so I can show you around the inside of the dashboard. With that said, look at how the dashboard is laid out. You can see the active pool position here, so you can see how a live position actually displays while it's running. And this is the part that proves that this is a genuine working platform and not a screenshot, right? So the transaction history, right? So look, real, timestamped, on platform activity logged right here. That's what tells you the site is actually doing something under the hood. The account is live and the actions are recorded. That's exactly what you want to verify, right? That it's a real functioning system. Now let's carry on through the dashboard because there's a withdrawal section too, and it's worth knowing where it is and how it's structured. So here it is, the available to withdraw area. This is the part of the platform where on a real account, a user would manage taking funds out. I'm not going to action anything here. This is a demo balance and I'm just showing you that the section exists and where it sits in the flow. As with anything in crypto, the real test of any platform is whether real users can actually withdraw real funds. And that's something you'd always want to research independently before trusting any site with your money. And then finally, the partner program, right? So open up the partners tab and this is the referral side of the platform. You can see the referral dashboard here, and this is where your personal referral link gets generated. Full transparency from me, the referral link I'm using for this video is down in the description. So if you do sign up to it, that's an affiliate link. I'd also rather just tell you that straight than pretend otherwise. And one last thing worth a quick look, because it tells you whether a platform is actually maintained or abandoned, right? Here's the important update side, and you can see there's active content and support channels here, right? A platform that's keeping its blog and support running is at least one sign that someone's home and it's being looked after, which is more than you can say for a lot of sites in this space. If Spreadify looks like something you want to explore, the referral link is in the description and pinned comment. Register, take a look at the pools and dashboard yourself and make up your own mind.